Here at Rutgers, we've developed something that hasn't been done before, and we named it the NAVIATOR. It's our super drone.
Drones are necessary because they allow you to go places that either humans cannot go or it might be too dangerous.
The NAVIATOR is changing the game. It can fly like a normal drone, and it can also transition seamlessly into the water and conduct any other mission. Currently, with our testing, we are trying to learn more about what the vehicle is able to do. And so we use a tether for communication and get any feedback that we want. And then once it's fully developed, we can cut the tether, use an acoustic system to send commands to the vehicle, and the vehicle will more or less be autonomous so that you can just tell it to do things, and it'll be smart enough to do those things on its own.
The use of the NAVIATOR could have a significant impact in our society. It can help in search and rescue missions. It can make them happen very quickly. Our work will save lives.